Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss regarding Azure availability zones. Availability zones are unique physical locations within an Azure region. Each zone is made up of one or more data centers with independent power, cooling, and networking. That means availability zone. Whenever it will come in your mind, it is a data center. Just consider as a data center. In the previous video, we discussed availability set. If we are going with an availability set, in your mind, it should come only the mm, network rack. That means fault domain as well as the update domain. Okay. Right now, we are discussing availability zone. Availability zone in your mind just come data center. In a this is an Azure region. Here it is mentioned availability zone 1, availability zone 2, and zone 3. That means data center 1, data center 2, data center 3. That is the concept regarding an availability zone. Here now in the next slide. Okay. These are the regions which supports the availability zones. In a region, we will have 3 availability zone, but some region it will have 2 availability zones. We can go to the practical session now. Here in this practical session, I will show you how to add a virtual machine in an availability zone. On the next section, next video, you will get load balancing option. In that, I will explain you how we will add this availability zone as well as availability set into this load balancing options. Right now, anyway, we are going to create a virtual machine now. Here, I already have virtual machines. Okay, I'm going to create a virtual machine now. Okay, subscription, Azure subscription. I'm going to give resource group RS1. Then I will give name to VM1. Region, I will select as East US. Here in this availability options, yeah, we have option available. Previously, we already selected this availability set in the last video. Right now, we will come to our availability zone. We will select availability zone. Then it will ask, yeah, in this East US, it will support 3 availability zone. So this virtual machine VM1, I'm adding into this availability zone 1. Then image, we will select it as Windows Server 2016. Whatever you want, you can select it. And sizing, less pricing, I am selecting one virtual. Okay. If you want, you can select from here, see all sizes, and you can select whichever you want the size for the disk. Then I will give the administrator account. Will my username, password I will add now. And in bound ports it will ask. I will select HTTPS also I will select. Then directly then next discuss, we don't need to do anything. Networking, you have to see whether public IPs, yeah, public IPs here. Public IPs you is important thing regarding our availability zone. I'm giving directly review plus create option. So it is going to create a virtual machine that is added into availability zone 1. It is submitting the deployment now. At the same time, we will create one more virtual machine. And that we will add into availability zone second one. Okay, create virtual machine resource group I am selecting same resource group RS1. Then virtual machine name I will give VM2 second virtual machine. Location we will select as East US again. Same location. Availability option we will set availability zone. Then it will ask for which zone. Already I have added one of the virtual machine in first zone. Then second virtual machine we will add to second availability zone. Username we password. Okay. Inbound ports we will select HTTP, HTTPS we will select. Then directly we will create this virtual machine. Validation failed. Again we can go. Yeah, validation passed. Create. Anyway, deployment is in progress now. We will go and we can search for our resource virtual machines. We can search. Okay, VM1 it is already created. So we can go to this virtual machine VM1 whether it is added in the availability zone 1 or not. We can check. Yeah, here availability zone it is. You can see zone 1. Then we can go and check what about the second virtual machine now. Still, yeah, it is running. Deployment is in progress now. Within 1 or 2 minutes, the second virtual machine will be also ready. And after this one, you can see that virtual machines properties. You can see it is added into the second availability zone 2. That much only our videos. On the next section, I will show you how we will use these availability zones as well as availability sets with the help of load balancer. Next section you will get it. Right now we can check the virtual machine now. I'm going to resource now, virtual machine 2. It is already in virtual machine number availability zone 2. Okay guys, kindly please subscribe my YouTube channel for then so you will get every videos whatever I am uploading. Thank you.